very good morning to all. Welcome to my online class. Today I will discuss the chapter number 7 from your computer. The name is Enjoy with MS Paint. Okay. So today we will learn about the Paint or Microsoft Paint. So all of you open your book and let's start the chapter about MS Paint. Paint means all of you already know about painting or MS Paint. MS means Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft Paint. What is Microsoft Paint? You have learned about the uses of many tools and types in Paint program. Microsoft Paint is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. So what is Microsoft Paint? You can underline this line. Microsoft Paint is a up to this. Okay, so what is Microsoft Paint? Is a simple graphic program. Graphic means designing to draw pictures. Okay, MS Paint is simply an application software to draw pictures. Okay, then features of MS Paint. What is MS Paint? Let's see the features. You can use Paint for creating, editing and printing picture. It is mainly related to the pictures. With this program you can draw different objects like pictures, cartoon, maps, etc. Any things you can you want to draw you can draw in MS Paint. Okay, any object or substance. You can also use Paint to view and edit scan picture. Okay, you can also use Paint to view and edit scan picture, and scan picture means any pictures that you can scan or you edit. Okay, then these are the three features. All of you remember this, the three features of MS Paint. Next, how to open MS Paint. So, how to open, that means to use the MS Paint we have to open this application, isn't it? So how to open MS Paint? First of all, click on the start button. So any application software you have to open, first go to the start button, then click on the all program, then accessories and then paint. Okay, when you click on the start, a menu appears and from this you can select all program, and after that accessories and then paint. Okay, remember these 4 points. Okay, understand up to this point. Then come to the next page. Now here in this point, Paint program is also to create drawing on a blank area or in the existing picture. All the tools used in Paint are present in the ribbon. Ribbons are two parts. You remember this, underline. Ribbon has two parts, tabs and group. Okay, a ribbon is a part or tools that Paint are present on the ribbon. Okay, so ribbons have two parts, tabs and group. So what is tool group, shape group, etc. Tools means the eraser, pencil, etc. are called tools group, and shape means the circle, rectangle, square, all the shapes you learned in previous class in maths also, and these are called shape group. Okay, your tools and your uses, this is very important. All of you remember these points. First one is pencil. So what is the use of pencil? To use for freehand drawing. Freehand means you have to just draw any object. For example, you can draw a circle this as like this, or a line as like this. This is called freehand drawing. Okay, not a straight line or circle, shape, etc. In excluding shape, circle, shape or line, all drawing are called freehand drawing. Brushes used for freehand drawing with shape. Okay, if you have to draw shape, then you use brush. Eraser, you know it, to use for erasing parts of a picture. Text means you can write or you can edit adding text to a selected portion. Fill with colors means to fill the shape that you have drawn with color. You use fill with color. Color picker means any color you have to select, so you use color picker. Magnifier, magnify means what? Magnify means larger or enlarge. So to use for enlarging and reducing picture, if you have to reduce or enlarge any picture, then you can use magnifier. Magnifier means magnify. Okay, shapes, you know it, you can select any shape, circle, rectangle, etc. Polygon means hexagon, polygon, etc. are the some shapes, geometrical shape which have corners more than 3 corner. Okay, for example, square is also a polygon. Pentagon, that means which have 5 corner, these are called pentagon. 6 corner, hexagon, etc. Polygon means the geometrical shape which have more than 2 or 3 corners. Okay, then curve, you know it, used for drawing. Curve line, here color 1, use foreground color when drawing with left mouse button. Okay, left, if you use left mouse button, then use color 1. Color 2, to use background color when drawing with right mouse button. Okay, to background, for the background color use color 2, and for the foreground means the picture, if you draw an apple, so to draw the apple, to color the apple, you use color 1. Okay, clear? So please remember tools and their uses. Okay, come to the next page. So these are the some steps how to draw a picture using various tools of MS Paint. So how to draw picture. First one, select the pencil. So to draw pictures we have pencil. Okay, then select the brush tool in brushes group to draw eyes, nose and mouth. First one, pencil, then select brush. After that, now we shall fill the color in the smiling tree using fill with color tool. So if you have to color the picture, then you have to select the color with fill with color. Okay, after that click on color picker. Color picker means if you have to select a different color, then you have to use color picker. So first you have to use pencil for freehand drawing, brush for draw eyes, nose, etc. Then fill with color for color the picture, and then color picker to change the color. Okay, then number 5, click fill the color tool from the tools group. Okay, then use fill the color, and after that click on the face of tree to fill it with green color. Similarly you can use, this is simple. So you remember the 5 points. First one, select the pencil, then brush, then fill with color, then color picker, after that fill the color. Okay, understand the steps? So please remember this 5 step. Okay, then come to the next page. Moreover, if you have to write any text or as like this smiling tree, then you have to, after coloring the pictures, you have to click on the text. If you have to add some text, or you can if you have to write your name, okay, then select on the text from the tools group. Then in drawing area, drag and draw a text box. That means if you have to write here or here also, you can drag the mouse and select the position. Okay, after that selecting the position, you write the name or anything you have to write. Okay, understand? Then how to select or delete a drawing picture. So I have drawn this. Okay, then if you have to delete this picture, what to do? So first one, rectangular section or freeform selection. Okay, from using select command in the image group, you can select the whole or part of drawing for various operations. So if you have to delete the whole tree, or if you have to delete this upper part, then you have to select different selection. Okay, there are 2 types of self selection: rectangular section selection and freeform selection. So what is rectangular selection? Let's see. To select rectangular area, we use rectangular selection. To use the rectangular selection, steps are given below. So if you have to delete rectangular section, then first of all click on select from the image group and then choose rectangular section. So first of all we have to select the image group. Okay, remember the image group. Then click and drag over the area of the drawing until a dotted box around the image appears. It means that area is selected. So after the clicking select area, then you have to drag over the area of the drawing. Okay, so area of the drawing means here you have to drag the mouse so that a dotted box will appear. Okay, then next point, what to do? Let's see. Then after the rectangular selection, come to the freeform selection. So freeform selection means is used to select an irregular shape. Irregular shape means any shape that you have used by freehand drawing. of the image. That means this is the freehand drawing. This is not a shape. Okay, this is not a fixed shape. This is called free shape. So free form selection means if you have to select like this any irregular shape, these are called free form selection. Then first click on select from the image group and choose free form selection. Okay, in the select group also you can find free form or rectangular, what we have to do. Then click and drag the area of the drawing irregularly until a dotted figure around the image appears, similar to this rectangular selection. Okay, after selecting the rectangular selection or freeform selection, you drag the mouse over the image and then a dotted line or dotted box will appear, so that you understand that the area of the delete portion will be selected. Okay, to select the whole image you can use select all. If you have to select the whole image, then you can use select all option. Underline this line. Okay, then how to delete a drawing. So the selected part can be deleted by using delete command. In the keyboard you can see a delete key or command is there. So if you use the delete command after selecting, then this will be deleted. The steps to delete a drawing is first select the drawing. Okay, if you have to delete this, then you have to select the drawing. Then click on the select from the image group and choose delete option. Clicking delete will remove the selected drawing. Okay, after selecting, just click on the delete option and then the picture will be removed. Okay, understand? So it's your today's class. I hope all of you have understood clearly, and today we have discussed about MS Paint, features of MS Paint, how to open MS Paint, tools and their uses, how to draw a picture using various tools of MS Paint, how to select or delete a drawing picture. Okay, last topic about various commands copy and paste, cut and paste, I will discuss later. So thank you, have a good day.